3 times the size of your average honeybee. And it is going to sting the heck out of me. 1, 2. First thing I notice, besides the size of this bee, is how hairy it is. It has these long hairs all over its bodies, especially on the legs. You see that stinger going? Wow. Oh, it's big. Oh, that stinger is big. I'm Mark Vins, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with a giant carpenter bee. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow! Oh, yeah. Did you guys see that sting?
Happened so fast.
Oh, yeah. All right. You see the venom coming out of that hole? Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's burning. So for pain, I give it an 8.3 out of 10. Now the aftermath of this sting, like most bees, was the worst part. The sting burned and itched for days. That burns.